Hello, this is Mrs. Collins, and I want to tell you how to add fonts in Photoshop and on your Adobe Creative Cloud. Real quick, all you have to do is log into your Adobe Creative Cloud and then click on where it says fonts. Then you will have thousands of fonts to browse and look through. And if you want to activate it, you just select it. So I'm going to walk you through that process. So I went to the Adobe Creative Cloud website. You can look here in the corner that I've already been logged in to my account. So I've already put my username and password in. So I'm going to click More, and I want to click View All Apps. So I already have all these browser tabs open to save time, but I want to show you what the steps are. So you can go to a browser window and type in Adobe Creative Cloud, or you can go to the icon on your desktop that says Adobe Creative Cloud. You need to make sure you're logged in, and then over here on the left, you will see all these different selections. And if you scroll down towards the bottom is where you will see fonts. So you want to click on fonts, and what will happen is a new browser window will open. I'm not going to click on it because I already have it open. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the Adobe Creative Cloud fonts. So this is exciting. If you're old like me, adding new fonts to your software used to be difficult, and they have made it so easy and so awesome. But I want to warn you to not go font crazy and install all of them, because your Creative Cloud memory storage space is actually very small. So if you install 100 or 1,000 fonts, you could fill up your Creative Cloud and not have any room to save projects. So what I'm going to recommend is that you only install a few fonts at a time and not get too excited. So what is awesome about this new font tool is you can browse fonts by the type they are. You can get a family or a font pack. There are free fonts, and more than likely, there are paid fonts too. So over here, if we scroll down, we can see we can classify fonts in different types. So sans serif means fonts without the little line on the tops and bottoms of letters. So more modern looking fonts. Serif fonts are kind of older style fonts that have that little tiny line in the tops and the bottoms of letters. There's script fonts and mono and hand type font, handwritten type fonts, and decorative type fonts. You can just go font crazy in searching what you like. When I add fonts, I do try to look for more unique ones because I already have a good selection of basic fonts. This one's kind of neat. So if I want to add this font, I just click on it and I can view the whole font family, or I can click on the button that says View Font Family. You can choose to add a specific font or the entire font family. It has the license. It shows you an example of what the text looks like. If you want to activate it, you just click this little button right here, and with no time at all, it is in your Adobe Apps just like that. I'm going to click my back button and go back. And what I need in my particular font selection are some more, I'm going to say, hand style type fonts or decorative fonts. I have a lot of the others. So I'm going to just kind of peruse here. Ooh, this is exciting. There's some cool ones. I'm going to find one that I actually do want to use. Oh, I kind of like this one. So I like this one. It looks like stamps. We can learn all about the font, like who designed it, when they designed it. So that's pretty neat. And if I want to activate this font, all I do is click this button, bam. In no time at all, this font called Battery Park will be in Photoshop and I can use it. So it's that easy. You might have to restart Photoshop if you have it open and your project you're currently working on it, but most of the time you just click active and you add it. So that's the basics on how you find fonts, how you activate fonts, and deactivate fonts on your Creative Cloud. Thanks for watching.